Hey guys, Civics Boy here again. Just a quick piece of advice for those of you thinking about upgrading an old computer. The most inexpensive way and the most effective way as well on making your computer a lot faster is upgrading your memory. With this project Second Chance, it was originally running one of these, which is, I don't know if it's going to focus on there. It's a PC 2700. 256 megabytes 256 megabytes of DDR333, and it had 2 sticks in there, giving it a total of 512 megabytes, and it is running Windows XP Professional. So we don't need really a lot of RAM. So what we're doing, we're going to be replacing the 2 sticks of 256 megabytes with this Corsair Value Select RAM, which is 1 gigabyte sticks at 400 megahertz, which is PC 3200, I believe, DDR 3200. So I've got one in there right now. We're gonna go ahead and stick this other one for giving it a total of 2 gigabytes of memory. That should speed things up a little bit in the operating system. Alright guys, so keep that in mind when you're upgrading your computer. The most inexpensive way of upgrading it and making it faster is adding more RAM, or better RAM. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos on this project Second Chance. Civics Boy out.